You wanna try what it's like, take a part of his love. He was smart in the heart, life was never enough. He would dream and admire, loved by a girl, enchanted by this twisted world. He would love you to love anything you can. He'd want everyone to understand their minds too sick with hearts that beat. There's no one alone if they're suffering. Stay close to your loves even if they push. Pull them closer even if you wanna look away. Never be afraid. Open up, there's love for the taking. A life worth saving, worth making some room for. Open up for a love with no home. Add 'em to your heart and never be alone anymore. If you wanna preach from your perch, from the crib to the hearse, on a scale you believe is better than theirs, remember to look with roles reversed. All the feelings you feel that no one has heard. Have you felt so alone that you wish for death? If not, have a heart and hold your breath. Look around at the way your friends hold their heads and offer your hand. Open up, there's love for the taking. A life